Stop paying $20 per month for ChatGPT Plus unless you really need it. Because in 2026, most people can get 80 to 90% of chat's power for free if they use it correctly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT like a pro without paying for the Plus subscription. Let's start. Number 1. Use the free ChatGPT version properly. Most people think the free version is weak. It's not if you know how to use it. Even the free version can write scripts, generate ideas, summarize documents, help with coding, plan projects. The real difference is not the tool, it's how you prompt. Instead of saying, write an article about AI, say, write a 500-word beginner-friendly article about AI tools for students in simple English with examples. Better prompts equals better results. Number 2. Use multiple chats like a pro. Here's a trick many people don't know. Don't use one chat for everything. Create separate chats for different tasks. One for coding, one for learning, one for content, one for research. ChatGPT remembers context inside each chat, so answers become smarter over time. This gives you almost the same workflow power as paid users. Number 3. Turn ChatGPT into a personal assistant. Instead of asking random questions, train ChatGPT to work for you. Start with, act like my personal productivity assistant. Help me plan my day and improve my workflow. Or, act like a professional coding tutor and explain everything step by step. When you assign a role, ChatGPT gives much better answers. This works perfectly even on the free plan. Number 4. Use ChatGPT with other free AI tools. You don't need Plus if you combine tools smartly. Use ChatGPT gives ideas and writing. Gemini gives research and images. Canva AI gives design. Perplexity gives real-time info. This combination gives you more power than one paid tool alone. Smart users build an AI workflow instead of paying for one tool. Number 5. When you actually need ChatGPT Plus. Let's be honest, ChatGPT Plus is useful if you code heavily, build apps, use advanced tools daily. Need faster responses, use it professionally. But for students, beginners, and most creators, the free version is more than enough. Use free tools first. Upgrade only when you truly need advanced features. You don't need to spend money to use powerful AI. You just need to use it smarter than most people. If you want more AI tools, coding tips, and ways to stay ahead in the AI future, subscribe and become an AI rockstar.